Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we're back again with a brand new video. Today's video is very helpful to especially who are working in the life science industry. Today's video we are making is on how to make standard operating procedures, also known as SOP. In this video today, I will briefly explain about SOP, what it is and what are the key things to know about it. Then I will also give you an example of SOP, which will then clear all your questions and confusions. Alright, let's begin. So guys, what is SOP? It is a step-by-step instruction which help workers carry out complex routine operations. It is the life of a company. People working in a company may leave after some time. However, SOP will be there forever. They will enable workers to carry out organizational tasks effectively. It is the recipe of routine operations in any organization. In any company, there are policies, rules, and regulations within them. Then there are SOPs, which is who, what, and when. Then there are work instructions, which is document on how to do a particular task. For example, let's say the policy of the company is that all food must go through a quality test. So, who will do the quality test? A quality manager or a microbiologist? What does he need to do? A microbiological testing? There could be a few more testings. When is that needed to do? Maybe before shipping or before selling it to the market. Then there is work instruction. Work instruction is a document specifying details on how to do a particular task. For example, in this case, press this button, then add 5 drops of water, then boil at 100 degrees centigrade, etc. Basically, a policy can have many SOPs and SOPs can have many work instructions in simple words. So, as I told you, SOP is a recipe. Let's take an example of this cake. You are a cake company. You want to make the same cake over and over again so that the reputation of your company never goes down. SOP is that recipe, which mentions the ingredients of the cake so that the cake tastes same all over. Who is going to make that cake? The baker. When is it going to be made? Like 5 hours before the order is picked up. Alright, let's go through one example SOP so that it will all be clear to you. This is a sample SOP I have created for you. Please note this is just an example and I have created this just for this video purpose. On the header, there will be the logo of the company. On the first page, there will be title of SOP and SOP number. SOP should be numbered in such a way that it can easily be located. For example, this SOP has been numbered as qual for quality, then underscore SOP, which is type of document, then number, which is 001, then underscore version, which is 1. The title of this SOP is Microbiological Examination of Animals. In the footer, we have to provide few details. SOP number, date when it was implemented, version, page, the SOP which is superseded by this SOP, and the SOP which supersedes this SOP. Alright, in the next page, you can have the table of contents which has all the necessary part of your SOP. These parts include purpose, scope, responsibility, definitions, procedures, abbreviations, references, and annexures. In the next page, you can add details. So, what is the purpose of this SOP? It depends on the title. Well, in this case, it is to ensure that the microbiological examination is carried out in accordance with the policy. What is the scope of this SOP? This covers the overall area of the SOP. For example, this SOP provides guidelines to the bacteriological examination of animals. Who is responsible for this SOP? It can include the departments, manager, officers, technicians, and other relevant workers included in the process. Definition. It includes all the relevant definitions, which is extremely important. Then there comes procedure. You must include all the procedures thoroughly. This is where you have to know the scope of work instructions. You can include particular topic here And then in work instruction, you can provide how to use that. For example, in sampling method, you can use blood sample, and for that, how to take blood sample from animal can be included in work instruction. Then abbreviations, which is a shortened form of words. For example, QA can be used for quality assurance, SOP can be used for standard operating procedure, etc. Then references, which is the source of information to prepare this SOP. They can be postmortem of animals, sample export procedure, etc. Then annexure, which provides other documents, forms which are relevant and can be included in this SOP. Additionally, if you want to have the best SOP so that whenever there is quality audit, you'll be on the safe side, what you'll have to do is to mention who prepared, who reviewed, and who approved this SOP. Also, you will have to have document change history in case there is any change, which includes version number, implementation date, and details of this revision. For example, to update the tools in the laboratory testing. This is all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave your comments, questions, and feedbacks below. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. We'll see you real soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.